this is what $1,000 gets me here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So before we head upstairs to the 41st floor, let's first show you all kind of amenities you can find here on the ground floor, such as different restaurants and a 7-Eleven. So with so many amenities already at the ground floor, you could even choose to not leave your apartment or the building at all. Because you have a restaurant, you have a 7-Eleven, you have another grocery store. Making it the perfect place to, for me personally, focus on work and get all the stuff necessary close by. Welcome to our apartment. So once more, welcome to our apartment. We're staying here at the Colony by Infinitum, an apartment building located close to the Pretoria Twin Tower, just a 5-minute car drive, and also close to Quill City Market, that's literally behind our building, and a 7-minute walk to Chowkit Road. The apartment building is divided in 2 blocks, Block E and Block B, and with around 700 units of apartments, you can say that this apartment building is pretty big here. So we are paying around $1,000 per month, and we have this 1-bedroom apartment located on the 41st floor. So we have a pretty amazing view from this high up. So with a bit of background information about the condo itself, let's show you around. With having our own kitchen here in the apartment, homemade meal is always within arm's reach. Welcome to the bedroom. With a big closet, we can easily store all of our clothing and even our suitcases. One of my personal favorite spots here in the bedroom is definitely my very own desk. Not only is my desk the perfect place to work, it's also the perfect place to enjoy any of my other hobbies. So currently this is our 3rd day here in the condo, and I need to say that I'm really loving it so far. I personally really like that we have a separate bedroom from the living room and the kitchen, and that we also have again 2 spots to work from at the desk where I'm sitting right now, and one in the living room with a big table. And what about the price and the comparison? So we pay around $1,000 per month, and I'm completely sure that if you book it for a longer time, because right now we're booking it through Airbnb, but if you book it for a year-long lease, that it will probably be half of the price, maybe even less of what we are paying right now. So yeah, I think it's really affordable also for what you're getting, except if you're just like us and leasing for a short time, then I think it can be a bit expensive, also if you're looking at all the other amenities that the building is offering. And in this case I'm mostly comparing it to Bangkok and our apartment there, of course. So yeah, let me know what you think of the apartment so far. What do you think of the price? And yeah, just feel free to let me know in the comments. And then now let's get on with the rest of the tour of the condo. Next to the bedroom you will find a small bathroom, but with all the necessities you would need. With a rain shower here in the bathroom makes it the perfect place to cool down a bit after walking in the hot sun of Malaysia. So we have just arrived at floor 35, the floor where the pool is located. And I can tell you already that this pool has such an amazing view, of course, of the Petrona Towers. So you know for sure that I will be enjoying my swimming time here at the evening with the tower all light up. So let me show you. As you can see, you have this amazing view of the Petrona Twin Towers, the KL Tower, and just the overall amazing skyline of Kuala Lumpur here in Malaysia. And now it's time to climb up one level higher for the gym with also an amazing view of the towers. Besides the pool and the gym, you will also find other amenities like a yoga deck, a business lounge, a barbecue deck. So that's all thing that we're still going to enjoy as it's just our first week here. And with that, we'll end the tour here at our own balcony with this amazing view of Kuala Lumpur behind me. Thank you for watching this condo tour. If you're curious to see more condos, then check out this video next of our condo in Bangkok, Thailand, where we stayed previously. Subscribe if you want to see more upcoming videos here of exploring Malaysia, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you!